I'm here in the dark matter laboratory. My name is Dr. Dirty Dirk, and today we're going to show you how to do a Frankenstein treatment on a bunch of computer parts. We're going to start out with this Cooler Master CM Storm case, and we have a Asus ATX type motherboard, and we're going to fit that with a AMD Phenom 2 processor. It's an 1150 or 1155, clocked at 3.2 gigahertz. We got a new fan. We got a set of ballistics DDR3 dual channel RAM we're going to put in there, and we got a pair of new optical drives. At this point, I'm going to ask Igor, my assistant, to bring over the donor computer. Of course, everybody knows that you have to sign your donor card when you buy a new computer. Therefore, this one is eligible to donate its guts to the new system. Thank you, Igor. As you can see, this is also a custom-built XI computer system. You got a Creative Labs Fatality sound card, two-piece sound card that we're also going to reuse in our new computer. We got a NVIDIA Quadro video card that we're going to reuse, and we have the other Fatality card as well as a TV tuner card that we're going to install. And then we're going to use the power supply, and we have dual 500 gigabyte RAID hard drives that we're going to reuse. The rest of it is going to get trashed in the garbage. What do you think about that, Igor?
I have no education on computers, so my first day on the job.
Alright. Well, the first thing we ought to do is take this saw